Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This will be a quick video today. I wanted to do a little bit of an experiment and see how to best clean the wax out of my candle jars. I was never really interested in saving my candle jars until I got into luxury candles, and then these candle vessels, they became like decor items that I really didn't want to get rid of. And so I wanted to try 3 methods, and I wanted to film it to see, to take you guys with me on this experiment. Maybe it will help you as well. All right, y'all, so for the freezer method, I actually took the candle and I froze it, put it in the freezer. I left it in there for about 3 or 4 days. And I expected to just cut the wax out. I thought it would come out relatively easily. It did not. This was really difficult. And so what I did was that I began to cut the wax, and then it came out in chunks. But I had to really work to get the wax out of here. This surprised me because I thought that the wax would come out really easily if it was frozen, but it did not. Okay, so for the boiling water method, I got my water boiling in my tea kettle and I poured it directly into the vessel. I did 2 candles this way, and it was really neat to watch because as the water just sort of sat in the vessel, you saw the pieces of the candle begin to rise to the top, and that was a really neat process for me. And so I just, loved sort of seeing how that looked. And then, guys, I left. I came back many hours later, probably 5 or 6, and I was shocked to see what had happened. All of the wax had risen to the top. It was solid, it was firm, and this was just really neat. This is great if you want to save your wax. And then I just kind of got the wick out. It came out really easily. Okay, guys, for this last method, it just involved putting the candle in hot water just before boiling, submerged just right above the candle wax. I think I may have left it in there too long. When I pulled it out, everything came out. The wick came out. It came out liquid. It was a really easy process. If you don't care about saving your wax, it's an easy process. That was pretty quick. And guys, now let's talk about what was my favorite method. I've cleaned all of them out with some warm soapy water, and all of the wax came out of them beautifully. I think this is the one that I had in the freezer. And unfortunately, some of the wrapper or the label kind of came up right there. But yeah, all of the methods work, guys. My favorite one is the hot water boiling method. It came out the absolute cleanest, and if you want to save your wax, then that one would probably be the best one for you saving your wax. The toughest one was the freezer method, and I was surprised by that. I thought the freezer method one was going to be the easiest one. That was the most difficult one. It's not worth it, so I wouldn't do that again. The pot method is certainly the fastest if you just want to melt it and get it all poured out. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a happy, safe, and healthy week, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.